also the maintenance building is underway for where they keep the excess trains for Hangtime. Also, track is completed. It looks absolutely incredible.
Oh yeah, and then they're gonna
Oh, look. So the Cobra roll has been completely finished, and it has finished the insane head chopper element at the bottom of the drop. Also, this hill has been finished. It looks amazing. It looks really kind of weird on top of the other piece of track, how it's supported like that, but it's the only way they could do that. I know they're counting the dive loop as an inversion, but to me it looks like it's a non-inverting dive loop, to be completely honest. Or like a twist and dive on, what is it, a Hyperion, right? So. So there are still a lot of supports to put in, but those will be done hopefully soon.
Please don't stop the ball, just kick it. You're going to stay in this
Looks kind of weird from this angle, but I'm sure the next angle will look amazing.
3 goals for the bear.
Oh my goodness. So they've actually moved the sky cabin queue over here where we used to kind of walk up and then take a picture of Hangtime, but they've actually extended it out to here. So sky cabin looking to open fairly soon is my guess, because this was not here a week ago, so looking nice. I hope I got that on video. Attack of the GP Part 2 at Six Flags. There's still some support structure that needs to be put in, but all the track work is complete. So that's a big milestone for this ride. So this Cobra roll looks huge compared to the Boomerang Cobra roll, which is, I'm completely okay with that. So I finally have seen some of the dents. Garrick and I are definitely getting why they call it bang time now. That's 2 dents right, just right there. Like, uh-oh, and there's the Heelys. Me boy. So right here at the drop, that head chopper moment is amazing, but then right above it, you see the support? That's another head chopper moment for where the Cobra roll is going. Like when you're in the middle of the Cobra roll, that's gonna be another head chopper. So head choppers galore, Hangtime galore, airtime galore. It's gonna be crazy. So nothing new with the station except for maybe some more supports for the roof itself, but nothing much has changed there.